How do I know if my AC is going bad or if it's dying?
It is fairly easy. You're gonna start feeling the heat. If your unit is starting to go bad or die, you're gonna notice the temperature not coming down or not keeping up. Most of the time, is basically that. Any combination of that, of you getting hot. That's most of the time what you see.
Why does AC repair cost so much?
AC repair is costly for a few different reasons. Number one, the materials are costly. Most of the time, AC parts are kind of gated for to the manufacturer, right? Like if you need a motor for the carrier unit, you have most of the time you have to go to carrier directly. So they put the price that they want on it. So parts are definitely expensive. Repair the labor is also expensive because it takes a lot of training and a lot of experience to be able to first know what the issue is, and then second know how to fix it. So it's not like firing somebody to clean a house or to cut the lawn or anything like that. You need actual skills and training to know how to work on AC units. So labor is also expensive. And the biggest thing is it's hard work, especially down here in Florida. You have a unit up in the attic. If you get there at noon, that attic is probably close to 120, 130 degrees.
Man.
So it takes a special kind of person to have the guts to get up there and spend an hour up there to get you cool again. So yes, there are a few different factors that make it more expensive than other repairs, but most of the time is dealing with the heat, dealing with the tight space up in the attic. Sometimes you have to crawl through the attic, or sometimes below the home. It's not easy. It's not an easy job for sure.